Today we're gonna check out the best food review show. Let's see, is it really the best food review show? Because I think Best Science is. But it is pretty good. They show what people around the world are eating. And I'm very interested what people around the world are eating, especially those who still live a little bit more natural. So let's check out what this best food review show is all about. We're gonna start with people eating raw chicken in Japan.
Our final dish, raw chicken. If any food kills...
If any food, this the title is 5 people died eating this. Really? Really? Okay, I get it. We like to make it a little bit more dramatic for the NPCs to get those emotions involved. That's how you get the NPCs. I understand.
kills me on this show, it will be this one. I mean, I'm actually scared this time. The Japan tour hasn't even started and it could be over already.
I am shocked that this food even exists. I've been all over the world eating crazy stuff, and honestly, nothing scares me more than what we're about to try right now. Have you ever...
That's what people think when they think about raw chicken. That's what we are here to change. The world needs raw chicken. The delicious raw chicken. And the Japanese man noticed, that's why he serves it in his restaurant.
Heard of someone getting sick from eating raw chicken?
正直に言うと、よく食べられてる九州南部の方。
Those are the names of all the people who...
This guy has a perfect skin. That's what raw chicken does. That's what raw chicken does.
died.
No, isn't all the names. This is a really common dish.
Sir, my life is in your hands, and...
This is a very common dish. Really? Really? So everybody telling me natural selection. You are so retarded. Go tell it these Japanese people who have been doing it. Who do it in restaurants and been doing it for a long time.
My bowels also in your hands. Let's do this.
Hi, Diwa.
Hi.
The raw chicken achieves safe eating status using the same preparation method as the raw beef. The outside chicken breast is briefly blanched, killing any bacteria or salmonella.
Yeah. They have to do it. They have to do that because social pressure. But these Japanese guys know they don't really have to do it. And what I have already proved, and I'm proving every single day in my YouTube jail. Yeah. They always have to do this one. So it's acceptable. And the government allows you to do it.
Remains is the raw bacteria-free inside. The chicken sashimi is sliced thin and spread on a plate, like an alluring raw chicken flower.
That looks delicious. Too bad. They ruined the outside. Which one looks more delicious? The inside, the juicy inside, the pink inside, or the white, dry looking outside? It kind of looks like fat also. Anyway, maybe that's just me because I'm so used to it.
Raw chicken sashimi. I am... Doki. All right, let's do this. I'm just gonna try it plain.
Wow, adventurous.
I just want to get the full effect. It looks like it was cooked rare. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Whoa, that is actually surprisingly very good. I like...
What? The Japanese woman Surprisingly very good. What I have been telling for over 200 days. It's freaking delicious. Why else would I even keep doing it at this point? If it wasn't delicious, because best science is all about having fun. Life is about having fun.
Like it. Like, I am very pleasantly surprised. I was ready for like a raw chicken type of texture, but no, it's kind of melt in your mouth.
It did any.
Did you hear that, guys? Melts in your mouth. How many times I have said that?
Anything but melt in my mouth. It was stubborn. Okay, I'm gonna try it with some sauce.
It's literally like eating sushi.
I can definitely tell I'm eating raw chicken. It doesn't take me to like a different world or anything. I'm so confused. Like all the flavors are there, but my brain is so conditioned to not eat raw chicken that it's like mistake, mistake, mistake with every.
It's all about that conditioning, that brainwashing. But that's not how reality works. That's just your fucked up mind.
But like hearing his explanation, seeing his preparation, and knowing that he thinks that he probably hasn't killed anybody, that was enough for me to feel pretty secure.
You heard it. Raw chicken, melts in your mouth, delicious. They eat it all the time, probably didn't kill anybody. This whole bacteria thing, salmon Nutella thing, it's freaking nonsense. So that's today's video. And tomorrow maybe we check out another video from Best Food Review Show, where they discuss the top 10 most disgusting foods this guy has tried around the world. That's another good one. And I can already spoil, raw chicken is not on that list, because like the woman said, it's actually pretty freaking good. It's delicious. It's all about that conditioning, that matrix conditioning. Remember guys, the education system was created to create workers for the top dogs who control the matrix. Not people who think, have critical thinking, common sense, how nature and this reality works. None of that shit allowed in the Matrix. If you want a good worker bots, worker NPCs, you gotta take that critical thinking out of their minds, because it ruins the Matrix. And we are here, the best science is here, to ruin the Matrix. Anyway, let's end it with some Wagyu beef. Let's go! Now I must say this. Arigato. I must say this. Japanese people, pretty freaking smart. Eating raw chicken. One of the most healthiest countries on earth. And they invented, to my knowledge, maybe they didn't, but they made it famous. I bit my lip. They invented the Wagyu beef, which is now considered 10 out of 10 food in base science food review show. It's also very nutritious. Just amazing. Thank you, Japanese people. Arigato masaimasu. See you in the next one. It's gonna be a good one.